Are you also dreaming to become a millionaire in 2023? Do you also want to be financially successful? If your answer is yes, then I would like to inform you that for becoming a millionaire or achieving financial success, both requires some healthy money habits. Well, in this video, I will be telling you the 6 best money habits that could make you a millionaire in 2023. Now let's start. 1. Prepare more meals at home and order less takeout. Do you regularly buy a sandwich for lunch or a bagel and a coffee on your way to work? If so, you can be losing thousands of dollars annually. In fact, I conducted my own math and found that my $5 to $10 food indulgences totaled up to far over $3,000 annually. That was sufficient for me to begin bringing meals with me whenever I could. I understand that arranging meals may be complicated and that eating the exact same thing every day of the entire week might be monotonous. However, you may get closer to this objective by prohibiting yourself to dining out for lunch only once or twice each week and bringing the rest of your meals. You'd be astonished at how much money you could save if you started to bring your own lunch. Focus on eating meals that you prepared at home and refrain from ordering takeout, especially whenever you are working from home or even in your office. While treating yourself to a treat every once in a while is okay, ordering takeout frequently, particularly through meal delivery apps, may be quite costly. 2. Increase your income by generating income through passive sources. You must find strategies to increase your monthly passive earnings if you want to accumulate money and pay off borrowing more quickly. In essence, passive earnings is money you generate over time from activities that need little ongoing efforts. Rental properties, dividends from investments, and an additional company are a few examples of passive income. How does this work, you might be wondering? You just commit time and money up front with the examples described above to put things up. When you make those investments, you may anticipate either a short-term or long-term return that is specific. Get imaginative to develop this as a financial habit. It doesn't take a lot of money in order to make a return on your investment. You may make a little extra cash by renting out a room in your house or even your vehicle on the weekends. Discovering methods to hack your life might add up enormously and help you gathering money in a shorter time than you could with a regular income. Do subscribe our channel and press the like button to get regular updates related to finances. 3. Establish an emergency fund for protecting your valuables. You may be astonished to hear that just 30% of Americans are capable of paying a $1,000 emergency bill. What happens if the refrigerator breaks down, your dog requires immediate operation, or one of the tires on your vehicle blows out? A crucial safety net to make sure you don't use all your other money set aside for ordinary bills is a fund for emergencies. Without one, you run an even greater chance of getting into debt since you might have to utilize funds that you had set aside for credit card balances or other obligations to cover an unforeseen demand. According to qualified individuals, you should have 4 to 8 months' worth of living expenditures in reserve. This sum is particularly significant if your home just has one source of income, you are making payments off debt, or you have only recently begun budgeting. 4. Totally pay down your credit card's bills. The idea of using your credit card with a debt rather than clearing it off in full each month has to be disproved. Knowing the factors affecting the credit score you have will help you to comprehend why. Your credit score is primarily determined by your monthly payment history, as determined by Experian. Your credit use is the second most critical element. Your credit score rises as your utilization rate falls. You should thus make an effort to maintain your credit utilization ratio, or how much credit you are using, as low as feasible. Try to maintain a 30% usage rate if you can't pay off your credit card in full each month. Keeping a debt of $300 or less each month is advised if your credit limit is $1,000, for instance. If you don't pay off your credit card each month, you run the danger of incurring even more debt due to interest charges. Compound interest allows for the accumulation of escalating interest payments from your credit card provider, which may potentially jeopardize your credit. Again, I would like to remind you to subscribe our channel. 5. Be honest with your friends about your finances. Talking candidly and openly about money with those you care about is an excellent way to keep up with new methods for managing money and tips for saving money that can boost your knowledge of finances and general drive. It may also be an excellent method to move beyond any money-related anxieties you might have and start tackling your financial goals now. The more you discuss money and managing your finances with friends or someone you trust for accountability, the more certain you'll feel about the improvements you're making toward a brighter financial tomorrow. You could also discuss with your wife about your money. This will clarify your mind about money and also will enhance your relationship. It will ultimately create a trust between you and your wife. Just take a time off and sit with your wife and discuss about your future goals, your workday, and so on. 6. Consistently examine and modify your financial plans. One of the finest monetary decisions you'll ever make is to create a strategy for your money, in my opinion. Making a simple beginning strategy, however, is inadequate. Ensuring your strategy is constantly checked and revised is equally vital, if not more so. Your plan for finances is available to aid with the financial aspects of your life assessment, planning, and improvement. To assist you in developing a plan of action that will enable you to make financial decisions with ease, it takes a snapshot of what your current financial standing is and your aspirations for the future. If you want to get the most possible from your strategy and increase your chances of being successful, you should review it frequently, at a minimum, twice a month, and try to change any crucial details at least once every 3 to 6 months. It's crucial to update your plan if an important life event occurs, such as buying a new house, getting married, starting a new profession or earning more money, or expecting a child, to name a few. That's it for today. Now you know all the best money habits. Start following these from today. And one more thing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new, and the like button. This motivates us a lot. If you have any query, then just comment below. Don't miss to share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching till here.